Hey guys, welcome to Mag's house. And today, what are we talking about?
We talk about the gender party. I mean, I don't know. The baby. The gender of the baby.
I was having a baby. We're having a baby. And so this video is all about
what
us.
we think the baby gonna what we think the baby gonna be.
Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna do some of these old wives' tales I've been hearing about and see, provided by Huggies.com. Not that anybody from Huggies asked me to do this, but anyway. Alright, so I'm going to just go through the list that they have provided. You going to get your head out of my face or something?
I just wanted them to see Nipsey head.
Okay, alright, so this is 17 old wives' tales to predict baby's gender. It says, are you carrying high?
I don't know.
Let's stand up. Is that high or low?
It look high.
Suck it in.
Stop doing that.
Suck it in. High or low? How low can you go?
Stop doing that. Stop doing that. The baby gonna be mad. Watch when they get tight.
How low can you? Okay.
Is it low?
I don't know what it is. What's your final say? Oh, I have a paper. I'm gonna tally it up.
I think it's medium.
Nah,
It's
you pick a side.
high.
Okay, what does it say? Are you carrying high? If so, it's girl. So we're gonna go girl, boy. So 1 point for girl. Do you have pregnancy, acne, or other types of skin blemishes?
No.
So one old wives' tale claims girls will steal your beauty.
You don't have no acne problem.
Boy. Have you noticed a change in your body temperature? If you're feeling cold and icy, it's a boy. Hot and sweaty, it's a girl. I be sweating at nighttime.
Because it's hot.
I don't know, I just can't. And this, 60 something is the lowest hot temperature ever been set in the house, and I still be hot. Girl, have you noticed any significant cravings?
Hypertension.
What?
I don't know. I just keep hearing you say hypertension.
Ain't nobody talking about no hypertension cravings. If you had to say...
If you eat chicken, you're going to get hypertension. That's what you told me.
No, I did not tell you that. It says, do you feel like I'm craving sweet things or salty and sour?
Salt.
Why you say salt?
Because you want chicken.
Today I wanted chicken. The other day I wanted Tutti Frutti frozen yogurt.
And then the week before that, you wanted chicken.
What
and
chicken
the week
I
before
told
that, you wanted steak.
Okay. So
Everything be salty.
salty or sour is a boy. Have you dealt with morning sickness?
Early on.
Okay. An old wives' tale states that sickness means it's a girl. We all know that sympathy pains are a real thing. If your husband has also put on some baby weight, the old wives' tale says it's a girl.
I put on weight. I been hungry. And I'm blaming the pregnancy. I don't care what nobody say. I'm blaming the pregnancy.
Okay, come on, let's stand up. Let's really see. I gained 20 pounds.
You didn't stand up.
I did gain 20 pounds. How many pounds you gained?
20. What? Yeah, I gained 20 pounds.
Oh, I thought you said 40.
No, I gained 20 pounds.
When you gained 20 pounds? When you gained 20 pounds?
I just gained 20 pounds.
When?
I was 180 when I was running.
When? Now we have to start from the beginning of this pregnancy.
From January to whenever you got pregnant in November. So from November to this time, I gained 20 pounds. And that's my final thing. I'm sticking with it. So what the unwise thing said?
Wait, if your husband also put on some baby weight, the old wives' tale says it's a girl.
I knew it was a girl though.
Have you experienced swollen legs or ankles?
No.
No.
Not now. When that's supposed to happen?
So does that mean it's another point for the girl side? If it's a no, I think so.
It didn't say that. You have to see.
It just says rumor has it it's a boy. So clearly it'll be
You in your high
opposite.
shorts.
Welcome.
Excuse me.
Hello, guys. My name is Kobe Allen.
Kobe. Okay. It says if you have experienced lots of clumsiness during your pregnancy.
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so. It's a boy. If you've been graceful, expect a baby girl. Another point for a girl. Are you having crazy pregnancy dreams?
I think you do.
Rumor has it that your baby's gender is opposite of the gender you dream about.
So what you dream about?
Very strange things. I gotta put it on the girl side.
Alright.
What color is your pee? Anybody looked in the toilet after me?
Yellow.
No, man, that's gross, bro.
Yellow.
If your urine is bright yellow, it's a boy. If it's light or dull in color,
It's yellow.
It's
I
a
saw
girl.
It's
it.
like,
Yellow.
how can you tell that? If you don't drink enough water, your pee is going to be darker color. So that means that you need to drink more
I don't know,
water.
we just gonna count that one out.
Yeah, I don't believe that. Huggies, y'all don't know what y'all talking about.
How's your mood? If you're happy or mellow, expect a boy. If you're moody, it's a girl.
What?
She moody because she be like, I said come do this and I said come do that.
That means it's a.
People can't
Is
always
that
do
bossy
what you
or
want to
moody?
do.
But
I did
that,
not say that.
that means Mama's a drama queen.
Exactly.
If you're
What's the shape of her butt?
you're carrying all of your extra baby weight out front and it looks
Circle.
like a basketball, it's a boy. If
Yeah.
you're carrying
Look, it looked like
Yeah.
a basketball.
pregnancy weight all over, it's a girl.
Look, it looked like a basketball.
Eye test. Go to the mirror and look in front of it for about a minute long. If you notice your pupil dilate, it means you're having a boy. You want to know weird things. No, that
Hi
one not.
guys, this is, I don't know, the Serrano blush.
Can you give me a one that actually got a, I think it's a hair on that while you sitting here, messing with my makeup. Give me something that got a mirror on it.
A what?
That one got a mirror, I think.
Anastasia.
Really?
Yeah, I do. Okay, put it close to my balls. Now see if they open up.
This is weird. I don't know if it holds up. I mean, open up.
Are you looking at my pupil part?
No, they're not dilated.
Wait, your people?
My pupil. How does my hair look?
Oh, beautiful.
All over the place.
Thank
That's
you,
beautiful.
son.
Is it? It's always beautiful.
If your hair becomes thick, full, and glossy,
That's a girl.
you're carrying a boy. If it's dull, limp, and hasn't gotten thicker, it's a girl.
What is it?
It's
It's hair and yarn
thicker, I
thicker.
guess.
I think thicker, so it's a boy. I'm not doing the garlic test. That one says
I have the touch picture.
if you're able to eat a lot of garlic. I did have that those garlic wings. What I smell like? Can y'all smell me and tell me?
You don't smell like garlic.
Really?
Do you know what garlic smell like though?
It smells bad.
She don't stink, huh, Corey?
Mm-mm.
Well, thank you, Lord have mercy. It says if you are able to eat a lot but don't smell like it, it's a girl.
So what?
One boob bigger than the other.
Yeah.
It says if the right one is bigger than the left, you might have a son. If the left one is large, you might have a daughter. It's the we ain't gonna focus on that, but it's the
I
left.
know.
So it's
Jiggly
the,
pup make you sleepy too.
I know.
this is I'm about to really get
All right.
irritated with these stupid cards.
The car's not stupid. Don't say that. All right, go.
These cards can kill you in one hit, you know.
Let's place another finger on the month of conception. This is why I needed to stay on the girl side because there's too many males in the house.
Yeah, they gonna protect you though. Duh.
Yeah, and annoying me. Alright, so there's a Ramsey method apparently. And it's said to be 95% accurate. So this is like we almost know certainly what it's going to be. It says if you have an early ultrasound, which we did, you can see what side the uterus the baby has attached to. This is where the placenta is forming. It was on the right, the top right. A transvaginal ultrasound result. Baby is on the left side means a girl. Baby on the right means a boy.
What is it?
So-
However, if the ultrasound it was a transvaginal and it was,
What does that mean?
huh?
What?
Transvaginal when they stick the little probe
Right.
In
right,
there?
Right.
versus the little one what they do on top
Why
of your
don't do
belly.
one on top of the belly?
I don't know, but this one said it's a boy.
Told you.
The feel of your skin. Carrying a boy is said to give you drier skin, and a little girl brings out oil.
Your skin dry?
All of the oil.
Her skin is dry as I don't know what.
My skin always been dry, thank you.
So it's a boy, that's what it means?
Yeah, that's another one for the boy. Oh no, the
Man,
boy
your
side
skin never
catching
been
up.
dry.
My
Wait,
skin
hold
really
up.
dry.
How many boy? How many? That's 5'2".
The linea niagara. That's okay. Some moms develop a dark line down the center of their belly. If the line continues above the belly, oh Jesus, I'm having a boy.
You're not having a boy.
No, it is up here now. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, you're having a girl.
You're having a boy. If it finishes below your belly button, you have a girl bun in your oven. If your body hair is growing thick and fast, you're said to be having a boy.
Is it growing thick?
No. Yeah. Foot growth. You're not crazy if you feel as though your feet are growing. A baby boy is said to add a half size, and a girl keeps your feet in the current shoe. This one is so true for me because I was able to wear those brown shoes, and I had a hard time wearing those before.
Did you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wore them
The
for,
one side
for
can't catch up. That's so many numbers.
Huh? It's starting to. Sleeping. Naturally falling asleep on the
They
left
weird.
side means you're carrying a boy. The right side is a girl. I don't know, 'cause I'm uncomfortable. So I can't even tell you. I fall asleep whichever way I can because I toss and turn and be miserable. Dark areola. The area around your blank can expand and darken due to hormones and pregnancy. If they're darkening, you're carrying a boy.
It's dark.
If they say the same color, it's a girl. Boy.
I'm telling you, it's not a boy. Why?
Watch what?
Nail growth. Are your nails growing faster, thicker, stronger? They are. I actually just cut them down because they was
Oh,
driving
boy.
me. It's a boy.
Let's go!
Apparently, the direction your pillow faces can predict the gender of the child. A north-facing pillow is a boy. Wow. I don't understand. If a pillow is up and down, it has a north and a south. I don't get it.
Me neither.
It says, while a south-facing pillow is a girl. This one must be a joke, right? Oh, it must be a joke. Because I'm like, that's stupid. Mayan system. Legend says Mayans determines a baby's sex by looking at the mother's age at conception and the year. So what was I, 30? And the year was what?
2019.
18. If both are even or both are odd, it's a girl. Girl side. Because both are even, 30 and 18.
Nah, that thing getting too much, huh?
Okay, this is the last one. It says, this is the ring test. You hang a ring from a string over the belly. If the ring swings back and forth, it's a girl. In a circle, it's a boy.
Nah, I do not believe this, bro.
We're going to find out.
Like, this like
Okay,
voodoo.
let's do it. It is not voodoo.
So what did he say to do?
You gotta put it over my belly. Let's see what happens. If we go now on top of it, if it swings back and forth, it's a something. We have to look it up. Didn't it say a circle? That's a circle.
Yeah.
It's
If
a,
it swings in a circle, it's a boy.
it's a tie.
Give me here. Take the thing off here. How many got what?
No,
The girl got
that
the
don't
ring.
count. That 13, that don't count.
It's 12 for boy and 13 for girl.
No, that 13 don't count.
Okay, but somebody
Cut it.
you gonna record too?
Yeah.
It's recording right now.
You mean record?
It's a girl or a boy?
You should cut.
Where you gotta cut it at? Anywhere.
Remember? Do you know how to cut a cake?
No.
Or twins? Twins? We not having twins.
Hold it
Never know.
like this.
You having twins?
Whoa. That was a secret. It's a boy. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Why your hand shaking?
She nervous.
I feel.
It's a boy. It's a boy.
Wait, there's too many colors.
I see a boy and a girl color. That's not funny. She plays too much. She plays too much.
That's a boy. Keep cutting it.
No, it's not. Oh, she played too much. Look.
Here's y'all.
Really, Megan?
It's really in the middle of it.
It's a girl. I told you. What's up, big brother? You can call me. How you feeling, big brother? Kobe, don't be loud.
Huh?
Don't be too loud.
But what if it's not a girl and it's a boy? You could.
Do you have the picture? You serious?
Oh my god.
Yeah, y'all gotta call him that.
And she said she ain't opening right away. She said she had waited some hours.
So that's what the paper said. Tony, you might have to tell us in your
That's
picture.
nice.
He's still holding that hole. She cried. You think she know? You think Lynette really know what it is?
Yeah.